Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. Hope you've all had a really nice day today. So a quick reminder video of two of the games that will be taking place on the channel. Tomorrow we will have Els Games giveaways. She again has picked a 6-number sequence consisting of the numbers of 1 and 2. All you need to do is try and guess her sequence correctly. If you haven't yet got your 6-number sequence, please do comment it there on this video or on the previous video that went up earlier on in the week. It really doesn't matter which one you put it on. I will be double checking, and that will take place at 2 PM tomorrow. Whoever makes it furthest through that game will pick up Els prizes. The second game is going to be the close-up coins. 5 close-up coins this week, a little bit easier than last week. I think I was a little bit mean. All 5 of these are 50p commemoratives and all 5 are in UK circulation. There is a tiebreaker question as well. It is a territory coin, which means that this 50p could be in circulation in the Isle of Man, Jersey, Guernsey or Gibraltar. Don't always copy everyone else's answers. Sometimes everyone might have just got one wrong and you might be able to win it just by going off your own opinions. So again, get your answers for both of these in the comment section on this video or on the previous videos that went up in the week, and we will get some more winners on the channel tomorrow. It does look like a lot of people have been getting their prizes today from the previous couple of weeks, so definitely do email me and let me know if you have or haven't received them yet. I have just cleared my emails out, so hopefully I should be able to get everybody's messages, and hopefully everybody has received them so far. Best of luck in the giveaways then tomorrow. Have a really nice weekend. Plenty of videos still coming up this evening. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.